Good evening to all my awesome family and friends. Thank you for joining in and stopping by on this Pink Pumpkin Decor Challenge. It's being hosted by Annette's Place, an awesome channel, and I know you will love if you go over and check her channel out, all the beautiful decor things she does on her channel. So many beautiful tablescapes, DIY projects, shopping hauls, and all kinds of beautiful home decor. You can tell by what she put together for this challenge how beautiful her home is. So well decorated, and she always comes up with so many clever ideas for challenges. And then, of course, we have Pretty Inspired Decor, another awesome channel. She does so many beautiful things in pink. You need to go over and check out all of her beautiful tablescapes, home decor, DIY projects. She's always coming up with so many beautiful, clever ideas on her channel too. Look at these beautiful pink pumpkins that she's sharing with us today. Are they not beautiful? She knows how to decorate so well. Then our other co-hostess for this challenge is My Style, My Color, another awesome creator. She always comes up with so many beautiful things on her channel. You can tell by just what she put together on this Pink Pumpkin Decor Challenge. Isn't that pink pumpkin gorgeous? She does such beautiful stuff on her channel. Please go over and check her channel out. Now let's go see what Grandma did on her channel for the Pink Pumpkin Decor Challenge. Hi to all my awesome followers. I am joining in on Pink Pumpkin Decor Challenge. And as you can see, I have two beautiful pink pumpkins in the center of this centerpiece. And they are so pretty. I try to stay within mostly a pink tablescape for this challenge. I have pink placemats with a little bit of silver running through them, these beautiful pink flowers in the napkins, and these beautiful pink flowers all about the table with different shades of pink. Now, the only thing that's really new in this whole tablescape are probably these candles, and that would be a $5 expense. Everything else you see here I already had and have used in prior posts. So this cost was a $5 because the candles were the only thing new that I have used. The plates are from last year. The bowls are probably 15 years old. And I bought these white pumpkins a while back, but they've already been in a post. Same with the silverware. And I had these beautiful cups and saucers that do match some of the flowers from my English high tea, and I have a pair of them. The bowls I've had for probably 15 years. And the two-tier tray is also the same thing, probably 15 years. Thought it turned out pretty nice for this Pink Pumpkin Challenge. What do you think? Please leave me a comment in the comment section. The beautiful mirrored tray I got last year, and I did buy these little accessories this year, but we've already used them in a past post too. Are these not the most beautiful flowers? I was so happy with them. And of course, these beautiful pink pumpkins I found. And the white pumpkin says it all. I am blessed to have found so many beautiful pink items to use in this tablescape. The crystal candlesticks, I did buy them last year. When I saw them, I just had to have them. And they've been in prior posts too. They are so beautiful and so glam. There are not too many things that look this beautiful that I own. But I am going to try to add to this coming year and pick up a couple more pieces. The lace tablecloth I have also had for a while and has been used in prior posts. I could not find a lace tablecloth at all. So I bought this piece of lace. It's 3 yards long, and I bought it for my English tea that I did a while back. And I bought that from Joann's. And the black underneath it I bought for Halloween this year. And I thought the black and the white go so well. What do you think on that? Well, kisses and hugs if you stay to the very end. I hope you enjoyed this pink pumpkin decor challenge that I joined in with. I thought it turned out really nice. What do you think? My channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, inspirational talks, or whatever else Grandma can think of. So, hope you come back again soon and see what other things Grandma comes back up with. Going to try to join in on more challenges for the rest of this month. So if you want to see what I'm going to do, keep coming back, and we will have some new ones for the rest of the month. Bye-bye. More hugs and kisses if you stayed this long.